This LAM analysis is already complete, so I'm going to walk you through what it looks like to have a successful business model within the LAM analysis. Hi, my name is Josh, and I am the trusty businessman. I work at Invents Labs, and I'm here to teach you about how to innovate business models, how to differentiate your product, how to establish product market fit. With all of the types of businesses that are out there, we want to figure out a way for you to stand and set yourself apart for success. So come join me, and I hope you'll enjoy this episode. There's a saying that the mark of a successful entrepreneur is the measure of his results. This is a case in point right here for this company called LeadsYa, LeadsYa.com. I worked with Chris, who's the owner of LeadsYa, for almost a year now, and I've seen the way that he works, the level of results that he delivers. He already has a strong product market fit, and so I'm just going to show you a little bit about this successful business model. So let's look at the problem really quick. The problem is Google Ads is consuming too much time to learn and to implement as a solution for your marketing strategy. People aren't receiving the results they expect from the money that they invest. I'm a good example of this. I was using a small ads budget. I did not know what I was doing with Google Ads, and in walks Chris. He takes the same amount of money and he makes it more effective for my campaigns. So people aren't seeing sales on their products. Generally, we want to be advertising with Google Ads because we're trying to increase our sales. And he worked particularly with drop shipping stores. So he's targeting busy business owners. That would be someone like myself. I don't have time to learn Google advertising, but he is a Google Ads specialist. He has a team of people now underneath him, and we're helping him to grow his organization operationally. He wants to scale this to 30, 40 people, and right now he has a team of about 5, and he's managing probably about 15 clients. So as he scales, I'm helping him to think forward and look at his visions, his long-term vision, his long-term mission, and how he is working toward that each day. Back to the customer segment, he's looking at business analysts or product owners, as well as digital marketing entrepreneurs. He's also trying to attract the same level of talent that he has on his team already because he's offering courses. We'll get into that into the solution. And then he's also trying to target entrepreneurs launching their drop shipping or product store. I'm a good example of this as well. One of my first companies was launching a drop shipping vaping business, and we didn't know how to really market each product individually, but we knew that they were in demand. We worked with old school methodologies like press releases, we did some blog posts, we did some good SEO, but what really would have knocked our business out of the park, it would have been some Google Ads that were ran by a specialist like LeadsYa. So the solutions they offer for their customers are a targeted approach to implement the advertising campaigns with guaranteed results. When you promise results to a client, you're actually increasing your ROI because you're telling them, I promise you, you're going to get the results that you expect, and if you don't, it implies the money is given back. So most people that guarantee results, they can raise their prices. So if you have a product that is delivering results, your customers are happy, you have good testimonials, well, you can start raising those prices as the demand increases. And people will pay because as you deliver results and you're promising that you deliver results, you're actually increasing your value proposition as a business owner, and more higher quality, medium to large range businesses are more likely to take a risk on you. So how does he do this? He takes an ads budget and he builds a marketing sales funnel around that ads budget so that he redefines your landing page, and he captures the leads that are coming in on this landing page, usually with a lead magnet. So he really knows what he's doing, not only from the technical advertising perspective, but he also knows how to strategize around the customer and figure out what the customer is looking for. This is a huge empathy kind of perspective where he's empathizing with the customer segment, trying to put himself in their shoes and seeing what they want, what they desire, and then trying to offer that for his customers. So now he's teaching courses. He has classes for the Hispanic market. He does large-scale training like workshops. He lives in Bogota, Colombia, but has future plans to move his business here to the States. He does have clients here in the States and in Colombia, but right now his price range is a little higher because of the type of clients that he's worked with, because like I said, the results that he's guaranteeing. But if you want to take one of his online courses, if you do speak Spanish, I'd highly recommend checking him out. Let's just dive into his website really quick. You can see this is LeadsYa.com. It's based in Bogota. Digital marketing consulting with results. This is very important that he's putting results on the front page. It's a good call to action. And you can see here he's a Google partner. He's certified as a Google Ads specialist. And these are the types of results that he's delivering. So innovation, scalability, inbound marketing, delivering results. This is really powerful stuff. So as you can see here, there are some competitors that are out there. We have Black Propeller, we have WordStream, StubGroup, Consistent Conversion. These have some key traits here. We've already done the market research to figure out who is in the same space as him. But what is he doing different? He has automation sales funnels. He's doing drop shipping. Drop shipping is huge. A lot of people are jumping on that ship right now, and he's delivering results in those areas as well. So right now he's working with several of my clients to help with their advertising. I'd highly recommend checking him out. If you want, take some of his classes, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below about his business. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. We want to spread the information about the Lean Agile model for business. Please leave your ideas in the comments below. We'd like to know which business models you want us to feature next, or submit your own at lam.invents.com. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you'll catch me next time.